Hi dear students, I am Srinivasa from Sri Sai Sadbhavana School. Yes, now we are moving to the next lesson, that is money. Why we are studying this money chapter? Because from the day beginning, when we wake up, from that time to the sleeping time, we need money for our daily need. For example, from starting the day, you have to purchase the milk. Yes, we have to pay the money. In the night, we have some snacks or food items or groceries to the home or some fruits for eating. Yes, at the time also you have to pay the money. That means from the starting to the ending, or what we call it as from born to the death, we need the money. Because everything, for borning also we have to pay the money. Because we are borning in the hospital, so there we have start paying the money. In the last, that now you don't think about it. In the final also we need money to do all those things. Okay, just I have given the example for money, how it is very very important for in our life. Don't think all those things now because we are very very small children. Okay, that is the money is very very important in our life. Money is very very important in life. Money as well as the time. Yes, that is also very very important. You have the time lesson. Time lesson as well as the money lesson is very very important in your life because they will both carry you to the height. If you manage them properly, they will carry you to the very high position. If you manage the time, you will good in reading. If you manage the money, you will be in good position. So this is very very important. Yes, you know very well what we are using in our India. We call it as the rupees. We call it as the rupees. That is the unit of the money in our India. Rupees and paise. The highest is rupees and the smallest is paise. And once again the denomination is 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 20. Next 50 rupees note, have you seen already? 100 rupees. After that, newly 200 rupees. Next 500 rupees. After that, 2000 rupees notes are available. You know very well. Coins. Nowadays the coins are not using more, but 1 rupee coin is there, 2 rupees coin is there, 5 rupee coins are there, 10 rupee coins are there. Newly they have released some coins. Still they are not coming to the local. Okay, so this is about the money what we are using. Yes, for what purpose we use this money? Yes, that is important. To buy anything, that means to exchange the goods. To exchange the goods. Before finding out the money, people exchange their goods along with the other goods. For example, if somebody has ragi, then they will exchange that with the rice. If we have the cucumber, then they will exchange with the onion. Like that, they will exchange the things. After that, they will come to know that cost of this one thing is greater than the cost of other thing. So then they find out some media to exchange the things. That is called as money. That is called as money. Who will print the notes and the coins? Yes, government only print the notes and coins. According to their calculations, they will print the notes and coins. Okay, so you will study this in details in the higher classes. Now we will study about the what is the rupees, paise, how we will convert the paise into rupees, rupees to paise, and once again addition of the money and subtraction of the money you will learn in this lesson. You will learn in this lesson. First we will go for this one. This is the symbol of the rupee. This is the new symbol of the rupees. This is paise. We will write rupees along with paise 12.75. That means in the middle, paise should be written in 2 decimal places. Okay, because 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. You know very well. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. So it has got 2 decimal places. Okay. After the in between the rupees and the paise, we will keep the decimal point. We will keep the decimal point in between the rupees and the paise. Okay, I have to understand this one. Next, what they given is, see here in the textbook. In the textbook, they have given coins and currency notes, We have already aware the following coins and notes. In our country, the coins of 50 paise, rupees 1, rupees 2, rupees 5 and rupees 10 are in use. The coin of 50 paise is less in circulation now because nothing will come for 50 paise. So 50 paise circulation is very less. And notes of rupees 1, 2 and 5 are less in circulation. Some currency notes are as follows. They are given here 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100, okay, 200, 500 and 2000 notes. Rupee is a larger unit of money than paise. Yes, rupee is larger than the paise. We use P to represent paise and rupees to represent the rupee. We use the dot to separate rupees and paise. Figures on the left and the dot represent the rupees. Yes, this is the dot. Left to this is rupees and right to this is the paise. Okay. Number of paise is written as 2-digit number. Number of paise is written as 2-digit number. Sir, if it is 5 paise, then you have to represent 0.5 paise. Or like this, 0.05 paise. If you read 0.5, this is equal to 50 paise. For to represent 5 paise, you have to write 0.05 paise. Okay. So here they are given. If the amount of money consists of paise only, we put 0 before the dot. Before the dot, we put 0 to include that, indicate that there are no rupees. Example, 75 paise can be written as 0.75. 0.75 rupees or 0.75 paise. 0.75 paise. If the number of paise has 1 digit, we put 0 before it to make 2-digit number. For example, 5 paise can be written as 0.05 paise. I have already explained. Okay. You know very well, 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. 250 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Okay. Now we will move to the exercise 14.1. What they are given, express the following in symbolic form. Express the following in symbolic form. Yes, 25 paise. How will we write this one? Yes, rupees 0.25. Rupees 0.25. This is the symbolic way of the representation of the 25 paise. Here they are given in the solid example. Express the money in the symbolic form, 25 rupees and 75 paise, rupees 25.75 in the same way, because here only 25 paise is there, so we will write rupees 0.25. Next, 52 rupees 5 paise. So symbol rupees 5 rupees symbol and 52 paise, 52 rupees and 5 paise, so we will write 05. Rupees 52.05. Next come to here, 7 rupees 7 paise. So we will write rupees 7.07 because this is only 7 paise. You have to write 07. 463 rupees. Just rupees 463. 75 paise. Yes, we already explained here. You can write rupees 0.75. Rupees 0.75. Once again I will explain you. 25 paise can be written as rupees 0.25. 52 rupees 5 paise can be explained as rupees 52.05. 7 rupees 7 paise, rupees 7.07. 463 rupees, rupees 463. 75 paise can be written as rupees 0.75. I hope you understand. This one we will move to the next main. Here they are given, express the following as rupees and paise. Yes, like this you have to write because they are given in this form, so you have to write in the word. What is this? So we can write this as 6 rupees. 6 rupees 50 paise. 6 rupees 50 paise. So this is how much? Yes, 5 paise. Because there is no any rupees, so it is only 5 paise. So what is this? rupees 87.75. So how can you write 87 rupees and 75 paise? 87 rupees and 75 paise. So this is 25 rupees 17 paise. 25 rupees and 17 paise. So this is 1 rupee 25 paise. 1 rupee 25 paise. So once again I will explain. Here they are given symbolically. You have to write them in the rupees and paise. Rupees 6.50 they have given 6 rupees 50 paise. Rupees 0.05 5 paise. Rupees 87.75 87 rupees 75 paise. Rupees 25.17 25 rupees 17 paise. Rupees 1.25 1 rupee 25 paise. Next we will move to the third main. What they have given is, yes, write the following in figures. Write the following in figures. Third main, they are given, write the following in figures. They are given in the words. You have to write them in the figure. Rupees 45 and 30 paise. Rupees 45 and 30 paise. I will write rupees 45 and 30 paise. 45.30. Rupees 45.30. Next come to B1, rupees 60 and 5 paise. So I will write rupees 60 and 5 paise. 05. Rupees 60.05. 75 paise. I will write rupees 0.75. Rupees 0.75. So this we will write the following in figures. When they are given in word, you have to write them in the word. Once again I will explain. Rupees 45 and 30 paise, rupees 45.30, rupees 60 and 5 paise, rupees 60.05, rupees 75 paise, rupees 0.75. Rupees 0.75 because there is no rupees, only paise. Next come to here, write the following in words. Rupees 7.25. So how we will write in the words only, have to write rupees 7 and 25 paise. 25 paise. Here rupees 15 and how many paise? 60 paise and 60 paise. Come to here, only there is no rupees, only paise. So this is 70 paise. How much? 70 paise. I hope you understand. Rupees 7 and 25 paise, rupees 15.60, that is rupees 15 and 60 paise, rupees 0.70, that is 70 paise. Okay, we will move to the next main. Next we will move to the conversion. That means from rupees to paise and paise to rupees. You know very well 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So when you are converting rupees to paise, just multiply it by the 100. Multiply it by the 100, then you will get the paise. Or another one, easiest method is this. Just you remove the decimal point and remove this rupee symbol and write the remaining and the paise in the last. Then you will get the same answer. Then you will get the same answer. So first we will see how we will convert this one. First, rupees 6, you know very well 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So what you will do is 6 into 100 plus 90. This is paise. So 6 into 100, 600 plus 90. How much you got? 690 paise. 690 paise. What I have told is, first remove this. See here, rupees 6.90. Remove this and remove this and write paise. How much you got? 690 paise only. So in the same way also we can do. Okay. So here rupees 11 into 100 plus 60. 11 into 100 means 1100. 1100 plus 60. So this becomes 1160 paise. 1160 paise. Come to here, 70 into 100 plus 70 paise. 70 into 100 means 7000, that is 7000 plus 70. So what you will get? 7070 paise. 7070 paise. Let's come to here. They are given only rupees, no paise. So convert easily. How you will write? 100 into 100. Because they are given 100 rupees into 100 paise. What you will get? 10,000 paise. When you multiply 2 zeros, 2 0. Total 4 zeros, 1 1 is 1. So 10,000 paise. Sir, how you will multiply? 100 into 100. Easy method. Write down 2 zeros here. 1 0 is a 0. 1 0 is a 0. 1 1 is a 1. So 10,000 paise. 10,000 paise. Once again I will explain. 6 into 100, 600 plus 90, 690 paise. 11 into 100, 1100. Here also if you want I will multiply. 11 into 100. 2 zeros as it is. 1 1 is a 1, 1 1 is a 1. So 1100. 1100. So 1100 plus 60, 1160. Come to here. 70 into 100. 70 into 100. Here also 2 zeros as it is. 1 0 is a 0. 1 7 is a 7. So 7000 plus 70, 7070 paise. Next come to here. 100 into 100. I have already explained 10,000 paise. So this is how we will convert rupees into paise. Rupees into paise. Next we will move to the conversion of paise into rupees. Paise into rupees. Yes, the conversion from paise to rupees now. You know very well 970 paise. How we will convert? Yes, in the same way how we have to divide it by 100. Because 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. But it is a long process. We will just go in shortcut. Just remove this paise. Write down the number, what the number they have given. 970. From the right side. From the right side, for 2 digits, after 2 digits, put the decimal point. That is paise and write the rupees symbol. Rupees 9.70. Once again I will explain. Remove this P and write down the number, what the number they have given. This is 970. From the right side, count the 2 digits. From the right side, count the two digits and mark or put the decimal point. Write the rupees symbol. You will get the answer rupees 9.70. Rupees 9.70. Or if you want, whatever you do is divide this by 100. 100 nines are 900. So subtraction you will get like this. So this is the rupees and this is the paise. You can do like this also. 9 rupees 70 paise. Or instead of doing this much, you will write easily this much. This is also same answer. Okay. For your knowing how we can divide, 100 9s are 900. So subtract 970 minus 900, 70 paisa. So you will get 9 rupees 70 paisa. That is rupees 9.70. Here also you write down the same 117. From the right side you count for 2 digits and write the rupees symbol. Rupees 1.17. Rupees 1.17. Okay. Here 5 paise. Sir, here only 1 digit. But before the decimal point we need 2 digits. Then add 1 digit here 0. Nothing will happen. So 0.0 rupees. Rupees 0.05 means 5 paisa. Rupees 0.05 means 5 paisa. Okay. Next come to here. 305 is there. So from the right side 2 digits and write the rupees symbol, rupees 3.05. Rupees 3.05. Here they are given 419 paisa. So 419 you write down. Point for 2 places, that is rupees 4.19. Rupees 4.19. I hope you understand this one. We will do all the problems now, the remaining problems now. Okay, we will continue in the next class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.